Justice BP Katakey unong bishar wala songthait pat thungpat na Meghalaya High Court ban kli ya ka committee ka ban yet bat puli banya halor ka kamti Dewïong ha Meghalaya ula kentu ya gibor penyat district ka East Jaiñtia Hills ban wat kilat kilenti ban tap ni ban pendam ya ki Krem Dewïong ki baklam Treikam shu ki badan Palat Hajar Tylli. Habakran sikilat patay kubor u Justice BP Katakey ulaang bagi bor pulet kidang le ya ka jingwat penya da ka bapendon kam da ki drone ya ki Jakati Dewïong bean. Shu ulaang bagi bor pulet bagi bor penya district ka East Jaiñtia Hills district kila shim ya ki sen jam ban te la kam ya ka kamti Dewïong bean hadien ki kai pot ki bola IT syaka yeng kasari bat kedo bagi don Palat Hajar Tylli ki Krem Dewïong tang hakatay ka district. Ula batay babun ki Krem Dewïong ki ba Treikam shu kumta ke sorkar kawan ra eka projek bantap bat pendam sampoteli naki ringkat ke kaipot ke bala ai da ke Central Mine Planning and Design Institute Limited CMPDI.
One good thing is that district administration, both police and the district administration of East Jaiñtia district, pursuant to my various reports submitted, they are taking some positive steps to curb the illegal coal mining activities in their district, which is, as you know, is the most, where more than 22,000 coal pits were earlier found, as I have reported to the High Court already. And it appears that they are very active on that now, and they have entrusted found out the areas of concern, and they have entrusted that duties to some extra assistant commissioner ESC level officers, and drone survey by them. There are police drones also. There is only one police drone in East Jaiñtia Hills district. I have requested the police department headquarters to allot one more drone for the surveillance by the police. And those things are going on, positive things are going on. Now, those mining openings are still there because majority of them are abandoned or inactive. But we have taken a decision to close those mine openings. For that matter, the process of closure mine openings, the project report has been submitted by CMPDI, which are in consideration of the government. That is for the pilot project for almost 50 mine openings only. Likewise, we have to close 22,000 mine openings in East Jaiñtia Hills district itself. So therefore, I have requested the Deputy Commissioner and the Superintendent Police as well as the concerned department to find out the alternative way of closing the mines. Because if we go by the project report submitted by CMPDI, the cost would be huge cost for mining closure of mines. So I have requested the Deputy Commissioner to involve the local NGOs, local village headmen, so that those mines could be closed locally.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya